Welcome to a journey where nature meets innovation, transforming humble origins into a sustainable future.
Each stem holds incredible potential for a better future, harvested with care and respect for nature.
The humble banana stem, a treasure trove of natural fibers, holds incredible potential for innovation. Collected with care, these stems embark on their transformative journey, fueling innovation and sustainability. Collected with care, these stems embark on their transformative journey, fueling innovation and sustainability.
From the field, directly into our state-of-the-art facility, where nature's bounty meets precision engineering.
Pure water, removing impurities, preserving natural integrity for an unparalleled product.
Hygiene is paramount. Stems are meticulously cleaned, ensuring purity from the very first critical step. The journey begins, breaking down the raw material, unlocking its incredible potential with powerful machinery.
From solid stem to fibrous pulp, ready for the next stage of innovative transformation and refinement.
The journey continues, moving towards fiber separation, where nature's strength is meticulously refined.
Precision is key to unlocking the finest fibers, ensuring every strand meets our exacting standards.
Pure, natural banana fiber, ready for its next transformation, unlocking nature's incredible potential.
With fibers extracted, the purification process begins, ensuring pristine quality without harmful chemicals.
Empowering women with a choice that respects their bodies and our planet, a brighter future.
Every fiber must meet our stringent purity standards, ensuring the highest quality product.
Controlled drying, preparing the fibers for their delicate transformation into soft, pure material.
Transformed into soft, cotton-like banana fluff, a natural marvel ready for its next purpose.
Parting aligns each fiber, creating a uniform, strong web, the cohesive foundation for our product. Consistency is vital. Every inch must be flawless, upholding our unwavering commitment to quality.
From raw stem to a perfect, soft fiber web, ready for its next innovative transformation.
Now, the true engineering begins, crafting performance and innovation from nature's incredible fibers.
Every cut is precise, forming the core of our innovation, ensuring foundational quality.
Laser precision shapes each component with unparalleled accuracy, a testament to advanced technology. Each core, perfectly formed, moves to its destined place, guided by seamless automation.
Plant-based Bio-SAP, engineered for superior chemical-free absorption, a true innovation. The absorbent core meets its protective, multi-layer embrace, building strength and comfort.
Every layer precisely placed, ensuring maximum protection and unparalleled comfort for the user.
Multiple plant-based layers, each designed for optimal comfort and protection, meticulously assembled. Flawless alignment ensures integrity and performance, crafting a product of unparalleled comfort. Heat and pressure, without glue, fuse each layer seamlessly, ensuring robust durability. A robust bond, ensuring durability and leak protection, crafted with unwavering precision. Perfect contours, designed for comfort and security, crafted with unparalleled precision. Ergonomic design, crafted for ultimate comfort and fit, a testament to meticulous engineering.
Our commitment to zero waste, where every offcut finds new purpose, building a greener future.
Exceptional absorbency, rigorously tested for your confidence, ensuring unparalleled protection.
Instant absorption, superior liquid retention, without harmful chemicals, delivering ultimate confidence.
UV sterilization guarantees ultimate hygiene and safety, providing complete peace of mind.
Pure, safe, and ready for final inspection, ensuring every product meets our highest standards.
Every pad undergoes rigorous final inspection, ensuring perfection and unwavering quality for you. No detail is too small. Perfection is our promise, meticulously ensured by human touch.
Advanced vision systems ensure every pad meets our exact specifications, guaranteeing excellence.
Only the finest pads proceed to the next stage, a testament to our unwavering commitment to quality.
Approved, certified, and ready for eco-friendly packaging, a mark of our commitment. Hundreds of pads, each a testament to quality and care, awaiting their final presentation. Wrapped in sustainable materials, protecting both product and planet, a commitment to our future. Biodegradable packaging, a commitment to a greener future, protecting our planet. From individual wraps to protective outer packaging, ready for efficient distribution worldwide. Our signature packaging, reflecting our commitment to nature and unparalleled quality. Traceability and transparency etched into every package, ensuring your peace of mind. Complete information for your peace of mind, ensuring trust and product integrity.
Approved. Ready for our customers with unwavering confidence in every single package.
From production line to warehouse, efficiently prepared, ready for global distribution.
The culmination of innovation and sustainability, ready for the world, a future empowered.
Behold, the future of women's hygiene, beautifully packaged, a fusion of luxury and sustainability.
Every detail reflects our commitment to nature and quality, a testament to thoughtful design. Inside, pure comfort and protection await, a promise of gentle care.
Each pad, a promise of comfort and confidence, designed for your ultimate well-being.
Crafted from nature, designed for convenience and discretion, a truly thoughtful experience.
Pure, breathable, and incredibly soft, from nature's heart, designed for comfort.
Unmatched softness for sensitive skin, naturally providing unparalleled comfort.
A range of designs, crafted for every woman, every need, with beauty and purpose. Find us in stores, embracing a healthier, greener choice for your well-being. Choose sustainability, choose comfort, choose a better future for yourself and our planet.